In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customizable deal tagging on Hubspot. This handy feature will streamline your workflow, allowing you to tag and organize your deals with ease. Whether you're managing a sales team or running a small business, having a well-organized pipeline is key to success. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll need to head over to the Hubspot homepage. This is where it all begins. Simply open your browser and type in hubspot.com. Once the page loads, you'll find the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on that and this will take you to the login page. You'll need to enter your credentials here to access your HubSpot account. If you haven't created an account yet, be sure to sign up first. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. From here, navigate to the CRM section. The CRM, or Customer Relationship Management tool, is the heart of HubSpot, providing a suite of applications to help you manage your contacts and deals. Within the CRM, you'll see an option for deals. Click on this to access your current deals pipeline. Your deals will be organized into different stages within the pipeline. Now, to make the deal tagging feature even more powerful, we need to click on pipelines. This is where you configure and customize the flow of your deals through various stages of your sales process. Then you'll want to look for the deal tags section. It's here where you'll begin to add and manage your tags. So go ahead and click on deal tags. If your team handles various types of deals, having tags can significantly simplify communication and tracking within your team. Next, you'll see an option to manage deal tags. This is the interface where you can add, edit or remove tags as needed. Click on manage deal tags and a new window or section within the interface will open up. Finally, to create a new tag, simply click on Add Tag. It's as straightforward as it sounds. You'll be prompted to enter the name of your new tag. Be sure to choose names that are descriptive and relevant to your workflow or business needs. Once you've added your tags, they'll be available for use within your deal records. And that's it, you've successfully created customizable deal tagging on HubSpot, making it easier than ever to keep your sales process tidy and efficient. Remember, organization is the key to a smoother workflow, and by utilizing deal tags, you can quickly reference and categorize deals with a glance. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other HubSpot tutorials to continue mastering the platform. Have a great day.